In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add a profile picture or how to change a profile picture on chess.com. Now, as you can see, we're here in chess.com. I'm logged into my account, and as you can see, I don't have a profile picture. I just have this avatar. So to add a profile pic, go to settings, and you can do that by clicking on the settings option on the left hand side panel right here at the bottom. Click on that. That takes you to your settings page. Make sure profile is selected at the top, and then you should see the provision for a profile picture. So what you can do is just click on add, and that opens your gallery. Okay, so what you need to do is go in here and find a profile picture. Now I have one saved on my computer, so I'll just select it and then click on open and allow it to be uploaded. And as you can see, that now is my profile picture. Now make sure you always go to the bottom of the page and click on save to save that change. And now I have a profile picture on my chess.com account. There you go. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.